The crackdown of crypto exchanges is getting out of control. We have seen Binance being attacked from left to right and majority of the crypto exchanges ceasing their activities in the major countries like the US, the UK, and in general in the Euro area, which means a lot of people are finding it even more and more difficult to trade cryptocurrencies effectively and make money. Like you guys already know, these governments typically want you broke. So they make it really hard as possible for you to not trade in cryptocurrency. They want you to hoard some fiat. But there are always solutions. And as more solutions are coming into the space and they're developing, I am always giving you guys updates, especially when it comes to tools for trading. That's why in this video, I want to introduce you to another crypto exchange, top level, well designed, that is also working in the US, in the UK, and in Europe as well, obviously, and the rest of the world, Africa, Asia, and elsewhere. And this platform is called Toobit, Toobit. Link to Toobit is in the description below. Make sure you use my link to create an account on Toobit, or you can also use this code over here if you're going to download the app. And if you use my link, you get up to $80 free money if you make a deposit of $100 minimum after you sign up. And after you do that, your account is ready. And in this video, I want to walk you through the features that are on Toobit and also the most important things that you need to know while you're using it. And I also do my due diligence. So I give you a little bit of history of what Toobit is all about and the incredible features like copy trading that are available on this platform. Obviously, before we get started, you know the rules of this channel. I appreciate it if you simply destroy the like button. Every single like I get, I give you guys a push-up. So challenge me, let's see how many push-ups I can take it through. Even if it's 1,000, I'll do 1,000 push-ups for you guys. All right, so let's get to it. Toobit is the exchange for today. And if you're in the UK especially and the US, this is absolutely good news for you, because I always recommend guys, use as many exchanges as possible to avoid single risk of failure, right? So you want to diversify your exchanges. That's why I keep bringing you guys more platforms that you can trade with. All right, let's get this started right now. All right, so before we get into the fun stuff and the trading, let's quickly have a look at the history of this exchange and its credibility. As you guys know, I like to do my research before I share anything, and it clearly says here that the headquarters of Toobit is in Cayman Islands. Toobit has team members from different countries and regions worldwide. You can find this on the About page. But I went a little bit deeper and had a look at their current status as a company. So this is a developer of a crypto trading platform designed to provide a new generation of cryptocurrency financial service. The company offers a bank-level digital currency trading experience, enabling global users to get safe, professional, and stable digital currency comprehensive service. This is according to PitchBook.com, and it says the ownership of this company is privately owned. It has a private backing, but its financial status is that it's VC backed. So we can also see who are the investors here. Hobby Ventures, who are also the people behind Hobby Exchange, are behind it, and also Mirana Ventures and New Start Ventures are investors in this project. So that is really good credibility to see that other exchanges are also invested in this platform. And as for the founders, we've got Ray Lee, co-founder and CEO, and Yu Richard is the CTO of this platform. And the next thing we want to have a look at here is the security. So what are the security features on this platform? Are we really secure? So you can definitely see here that you have two-factor authenticator, you got phone number verification, and you also have anti-phishing code, which you can set up. You can also bind your third-party account management, like your Google account or your Apple account, which would allow you to simply log in with your Gmail or your Apple account directly. Very, very good for security. So, you know, the standard security features that you would expect from a crypto exchange are all here, and that helps me sleep better at night. And also here, they have the 2-bit verification, if you look up here in the menu, which would help you to verify any link. So if you get a Twitter account link or something that you suspect, or you got an email that seems like it's coming from 2-bit, but you don't trust it, you can copy the URL that it came from, paste it here, search, and it would verify, even if it's their Telegram account, right? So I'll just copy this link here, copy link address, and I'll paste it right here and search, and boom, this is the verified Telegram account. Then it will keep you more secure. But now let's look at the interface of Toobit itself. How does it work? How do you actually get to use this platform? The sign up process is very straightforward. You sign up, create an account, make sure you use my link in the description, or you use, also if you're gonna do it on mobile, make sure you use this invite code right here to make sure that you get the welcome bonus that is attached to my link. And you also have mobile apps for Apple and also for Android. So you can download it. You can also download the APK here. It's directly available from their website. Now, the way it works here is that on the left side at the top, you have the menu, and on the right side, you got the profile, you got the deposit function, and most importantly, your assets, the wallet, which you can toggle, turn it on or turn it off as you might see fit. Okay, you can also get notifications here and other things like that. But what I want to cover first is simply your wallet. How does it work? So if you go to your assets and you just click on it, it will take you to the assets overview, and your funds are subdivided into 3 different wallets. You got the 3 different sections. You got the asset summary, spot account, and futures account. But the main wallets here are obviously the spot account and the futures account. The asset summary, it basically combines everything and gives you a total balance of what you have in your account. All right. And then after that, you can also see that there is a deposit function here. Let's say you just created your account, you don't have any money in this platform, and you want to deposit for the first time. You can click on deposit, and you can select the currency you want to deposit. If you want to deposit Bitcoin, you select BTC. If you want XRP, you select XRP, Ethereum, USDT, etc. And you select the correct network also here. Let's say USDT, and I want to use the TRX network. I get the wallet address, plus I also get the QR code associated with that. And the next thing here is also I can buy crypto with my credit card. If I have a Visa or debit card, you can click on buy here, and you decide how much you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy $5,000. It tells you how much you're going to receive, and it has a MoonPay integration right here, and you can buy with USD or Euro or whatever currency you have. As long as you have a credit card, you will be able to buy that with Toobit. Very easy and straightforward. Withdrawal is basically exactly the same as other crypto trading platform. You go back to your assets. Let's say you have these funds here that you want to withdraw. You can click on withdraw. You select the right currency that you have. So I have USDT here. I'll click USDT, select the network here, and let's say Ethereum, and then I'll put the address that I want to withdraw to. Then I simply withdraw it, and it's very fast. I've already tried it, so you guys can check it out on your own. And the next thing I now want to check into are the trading functions, right? So, here you got the buy crypto either by credit card or depositing, but you also have markets, which shows you a variety of cryptocurrencies, what's hot today, the max increase or what has been pumping match that day, 24-hour volume-based aggregator, and also your favorites. So you can basically have your favorites so that if you are looking here, you can always look at the coins that you want to pay attention to. And then you can also look at the spot market alone or the futures market. What I like about the spot market here, they have subdivisions for proof of work, assessment zone, which are newer altcoins that are just being listed, and you've got meme coins, layer 2. So it helps you to understand sometimes, to just have a general overview of how all these subcategories of the market are moving. I love this feature. And the next thing here is now to go to the trading desk. So if you go to trade, it will take you to the spot trading. The spot trading, it's very easy and straightforward, and I'll do a trade to make sure that I can show you guys exactly how it works. So I have some USDT here. Let's say I want to buy $50 worth of Bitcoin right now, right? So I have the search button here, allows me to search different kind of cryptos that I want. But I can also see BTC obviously at the top. I'll click on it. And on the left panel is where you select all the cryptos you want. At the top here, you got the price data of the asset you're trading and the volumes and stuff like that. And here you got the chart, the original, and you can toggle through and switch to the trading view chart that allows you to draw and use indicators, stuff like that. You also have an option for a depth chart by just clicking one button right here. Beautiful. Their interface is beautiful and it works elegantly. And I can also go to the right and look at the order book and the trades as well, right? It's very concise, so you don't even have to worry about customizing it like other exchanges. In the middle here, just below our trading terminal, like the chart, you can see we have the order tab for making orders. The green side is for buying, the red is for selling. So let's buy some BTC. We're also gonna sell it quickly just for the sake of demonstration. Let's say I wanna buy $20 of Bitcoin. What I like about Toobit is that it allows you to just type in the amount you want to spend. So I have 100 USDT, I can just type 20. I can either scroll or I can just type the amount that I want to spend. And here I have different types of orders. I got market order, trigger order. There's enough liquidity for Bitcoin, so I would just go ahead and put in, let's say 25% of what I have here is what I want to spend. So I'll click buy and immediately my trade has been executed. If I want to sell, for selling, I'll switch to limit so that I also demonstrate that. Let's say I want to sell the BTC that I bought. I want to sell 100% of it, but I want to sell it only when BTC hits 28,350. Okay, and I'll click sell BTC. And the order will immediately show up in the order tab here. It's pending because it has a trigger price. It's a limit order. And then let's get to the business as well. Let's go to derivatives. How does that work on Toobit? I'll go to derivatives. You got light perpetual and you got USDT perpetual. So if you're a beginner into perpetuals and futures, maybe that might be your cup of tea. If you're experienced already like myself, you simply just go to USDT perpetual. If you're going to trade USDT perpetual, you need to have USDT already in your wallet, right? Because that is the core currency. You'll be using that to trade all different types of assets. Now, you have to remember that our funds in the wallet are in our trading account, in our spot. So we need to now move over some funds from that account into Toobit. So the way you do that, you click this little icon here, and with this icon, you're going to select the amount of funds you want to move. So I have $75 available here. I want to move all of it. Let's say I just want to move $50. $50 into my futures account. Confirm. Now I do have money to trade derivatives. And I don't have any trade just yet, but I can quickly do TA. Let's say I'm a day trader and I'm just trying to open a position on Toobit. What does that look like? Okay, let's switch to 5 minutes maybe. It's going to be more interesting. And with this, I'm looking at Bitcoin consolidating for a while and the volumes are falling a little bit more. So I'm more likely to just go short. Let's say I believe that the price will go down to 28,000 flat, right? I haven't done much TA obviously on this, just for educational purposes. So I'll enter a short position. And on the far right, you can choose whether to open a position or to close. Here we're opening a position and I'll use cross leverage, but I'll reduce the leverage to like only 10x. You can also simply just type it in here, or you can use that to click it. So I'm now at 10x. I want to enter a short on Bitcoin and I want to use 75% of my funds. All right. And I want to sell short right now, immediately. I'll simply just click on sell short. All right. Now you can also automatically, or you can simply click here and you can add your take profit and stop loss immediately, even while you're setting it up. So let's say my TP is 28,000 for this short and my stop loss is, let's say, 2835. 41, and then I can go ahead. I'll have to, the price has gone lower, so I can actually take advantage of that and go short. All right, as you can see, our position is now open. If you want to close it at market, you just click market. If you want limit, you click limit, and you set a price for when you want to set it up. And you can also reverse. If you have changed your mind, you can reverse the position direction and it will execute immediately. So it's an incredible platform, easy to use, beautiful interface, and the liquidity on a lot of the coins, especially the large caps, is extremely high, and it gives you a lot of flexibility. And other interesting features that you might want to pay attention to here are copy trading. Copy trading is right here. You click it in the menu, it will take you to the page, and you have two options: either copy trade or yourself become a copy trader. All right. So if you just want to copy trade, you go to copy trading. You can see all the copy traders that you can copy, and you can become a pro on it, or you can become a pro trader yourself. You apply, and if you're a good trader, people will follow you, and you'll be able to accumulate a lot of trading capital just by using that, which I think is very, very important. A lot of good traders there. You can see by the 7-day ROI is quite impressive. I think it's pretty cool. So, take advantage of it. Copy trading is very, very effective if you don't want to spend too much time trading on your own. Just make sure you know what you're doing. And something worth mentioning here is the support. So if you want to reach out to their support, you simply click this little icon here, the headphones icon. They have very, very fast support. You email them or you message them using that, they'll respond to you within minutes to hours, and you get the help that you need. And also, let's talk about fees, right? Like what are the fees associated with the trading, and what is the fee structure? So, there's obviously VIP levels, but standard, if you're beginning, just starting, and you're at level 0, like in this account I'm using, it's maker and taker. Maker is 0.04% and taker is 0.06, and spot rate is basically the same maker and taker. So like I always say, it's best to always be maker when you're trading. So use as much limit orders as you can, guys, and trigger orders. It saves you a lot of money when it comes to fees. But there is a lot of fee structures here, like level 0, level 1, level 2. The higher the level, the less fees you get to pay, which is, I think, absolutely fantastic. And basically, if you want to keep following more about the exchange, I do recommend you check out their social media platforms. You can find them here. Obviously, X is number one. You can always go to X, get more updates, reviews, and look what other people are saying about it. But I think I've given you guys enough when it comes to the general things that you might want to know about Toobit, so that you can trade using the platform at ease. I would love for them if they can include proof of funds, because I think that is now becoming standard for all exchanges right now. I wonder why they don't have the proof of funds here, or some kind of insurance. But otherwise, I do like the platform. Is an incredible, well-designed platform. Different. They didn't just copy and paste Binance or something. They literally designed something from scratch. So that's what I would say about it. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also if you want to learn how to trade, my bootcamp applications are open. You can apply with the link below, and my Web3 masterclass, which will teach you everything you need to know about cryptocurrency trading, investing, and all that. Link is also in the description below. Otherwise, I'll see you on the live stream. Stay awesome, guys.